Okay, one of my favorite ways to envision what culture is in a business setting and how we impact it is this analogy. And I call it stars versus vacuums. Now, in any organization, it's pretty clear and easy to point out the people who are stars. The people who you look around and you say, thank goodness they work here. Thank goodness he or she is on my team. That's what you call a star. Someone who's positive, enthusiastic, capable, productive, a positive influence on those around them. On the flip side of the scale, you've got people who we might call vacuums. Now, a vacuum is somebody at their core who just sucks the energy out of a team or a work group. They're somebody who's tough to be around, cynical, negative, second guesses things on a regular basis, always says, oh, thank goodness it's Friday. These are the type of people that exert a negative influence on a team. But here's the secret that a lot of people haven't thought about. One way to think about culture in a workplace is a constant battle between your stars and your vacuums. Now, there's one group I haven't mentioned yet, and it's this group in the middle. In every organization, people are influenced either toward the behaviors that you want them to exert or toward negative, cynical behaviors more envisioned by the vacuums in your work environment. But here's the deal. This group in the middle, we have a creative name for them too. They're just called the group in the middle. They can be pulled one way or the other. There's an ongoing battle between your stars and your vacuums. So what can you do? What can any workplace do? What should any workplace do who wants to have a better, stronger culture? Let me tell you what they need to do. They need to think about how can you tilt the world in favor of your stars and away from your vacuums. How can you empower your stars to have an outsized influence? And how can you diminish the influence of your vacuums on that group in the middle? This is one of the most easy to conceptualize ways to think about influencing company culture. How can I shine the spotlight on my stars and expand their influence while shrinking the number and influence of the vacuums in your system? If you will just do those two things, I think you'll quickly see an ascendance of that group in the middle.